Good day, grade 7 students. So, I'm Miss Aika, your math tutor. So, we are going to discuss our new lesson which is also about the square roots. So, make sure na napanood nyo yung unang video lesson natin about the square root because this is just a continuation of it. So, how can we identify if the square root of a number is considered as rational or irrational? So, madali lang siya. Kapag ang number is a perfect square, it is a rational. Pero kung ang number ay hindi perfect square, it is irrational. Kasi siya ay non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating meaning wala siyang katapusan, non-repeating meaning wala siyang nauulit na number. Kung baga, walang nauulit na pattern ng number. So that is considered as irrational. So, for example, we're going to get the square root of positive 36. So, we all know that positive numbers have two roots. And that is a positive and a negative. So, we have positive 6 and negative 6. Because 6 times 6 is positive 36. And negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36 also. So, that is our roots for positive 36. So, now, is it irrational or rational? Yes, very good. It is rational because it gives a specific answer or an exact answer. And it is also considered as a perfect square. How about the square root of 5? So, square root of 5 is not a perfect square number. Therefore, it is considered as irrational or irrational. So, all of the numbers that are not perfect square are considered and belongs to irrational numbers. So, now, for the square roots of a positive number, meron tayong tinatawag doon na principal root. Always remember that the principal root of the square root of a positive number are the positive numbers or the positive roots. So, the square root of 25 is 5 or positive 5 and negative 5. So, ang principal root natin dito is the positive 5. So, napakadaling tandaan kung paano kunin ang principal root. Basta yung positive root ng given number dun sa ating kinuhanan ng square root, that is your principal root. So, what is the principal root of positive 81? Or the square root of positive 81? Yes, very good. The principal root of positive 81 is 9. And positive 81 or the square root of positive 81 is considered as rational. Very good. And another one, we have the square root of 11. Is 11 a perfect square? No, it's not. Therefore, it is irrational. So, yan yung lesson natin about the square roots and identifying if it is rational or the principal root is irrational or irrational. So, tatlo lang yung pinakang tatandaan natin dyan. The positive or the square root of the positive numbers have two roots and that's what? The positive roots and the negative root. And for the second one, the square root of a negative number is always an imaginary number. And the square root of 0 is just 0. All of the perfect square numbers belong to rational and all of the numbers that are not perfect square belongs to irrational. So, that's all for today. See you again on our next lesson. Bye, grade 7!